Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In the next several lessons, you will learn how to prepare and edit images using Adobe Photoshop. This lesson will teach you how to launch Photoshop using Dreamweaver, and we will take a quick look at the Photoshop interface and Workspace. Make sure you start with an open document that contains at least one image. To launch Photoshop using Dreamweaver, first click on an image to select it. Then, check the image thumbnail in the Properties Inspector to ensure that you've selected the image you want to edit using Photoshop. Then click the blue Edit icon with the PS on it found in the Properties Inspector. This will launch Photoshop. If you are launching Adobe Photoshop for the first time, it may take several minutes for the program to open. If you've used the program before, it should only take a few seconds. Once Photoshop opens, you will see that your image from Dreamweaver has been opened as well and is ready to be edited. Let's take a brief look at the Photoshop workspace. You will probably notice that it looks somewhat similar to Dreamweaver. This is because Adobe is the creator of both programs, and so Dreamweaver and Photoshop share many features. First, I'm going to click and drag over the name of my open document so that I can detach it from the main document window. This will allow me to move this image around in the Photoshop workspace, which can be very helpful, especially when I'm working on more than one image at a time. I can also click and drag panels just like I can with Dreamweaver. Like Dreamweaver, Adobe Photoshop is a powerful, complex program. There are many different panels on the right of the workspace that allow you to view and edit many features of an image. And newer users can be somewhat overwhelmed by these. Luckily, you do not have to learn the entire Photoshop program in order to learn simple operations like cropping, copying, and saving images, which is what we will be focusing on for the next few lessons. If you would like to learn more about Photoshop, please see TeachuComp Incorporated's title, Mastering Photoshop Made Easy.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.